Hey everyone, today on Darpan we talk about a Kelowna murder in which a Surrey man has been charged, BC trending towards more COVID-19 cases, and the United States' second COVID wave could be worst ever. It's a gruesome murder that will give you chills. Rama Gauravarapu was killed at a hotel in West Kelowna on July 22, 2018 by her common-law partner. A judge has found a man from Surrey guilty of second-degree murder, ruling that Tejwan Danjo intended to kill his partner or at least knew his violent actions could lead to her death. The Crown said Danjo was an abusive and violent man. The defense asked for a manslaughter conviction and described Danjo as suffering from delusions about his partner's infidelity. Justice Alison Beam said there was no doubt Danjo killed Gauravarapu. She said the only thing for her to decide in the trial by judge alone was whether he was guilty of manslaughter or second-degree murder. The judge said the cause of Gauravarapu's death was listed as blunt force trauma, but she had 52 areas of injury. Sentencing has been set for September 14th. Some concerning COVID-19 news for our province. The province's modelling shows cases will continue to rise through August and into September if British Columbians don't change their behaviour. New data presented by the provincial government shows if British Columbia continues its current trend, there will be more new cases of COVID-19 than during the virus's current peak. The data shows a current trend of an average of around 75 new cases a day into September. If contact rates move from 70% of normal, which is close to current levels, to 80%, cases will surge to more than 100 a day. Now, province's top health official, Dr. Bonnie Henry, says the biggest concern for the province continues to be indoor private parties and gatherings where people who don't know each other are gathering. And majority of the people for these COVID-19 cases are in the age group of 20 to 40. While the hospitalized rate for these individuals is much lower than those over the age of 60, the big concern from Dr. Henry here is the more cases there are, the higher likelihood a younger person could infect an older, more vulnerable person. A top federal health official is issuing a dire warning. Follow recommended coronavirus measures or risk having the worst fall in U.S. public health history. Dr. Robert Redfield, director of the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, said, "For your country right now and for the war that we're in against COVID, I'm asking you to do 4 simple things. Wear a mask, social distance, wash your hands, and be smart about crowds. I'm not asking some of America to do it. We all got to do it." He said without following the recommendations, this could be the worst fall from a public health perspective we've ever had. Keeping the U.S. and Canada pandemic situation in mind, the Canada-U.S. border closure has been extended till September 21st. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe.